Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel Twist&Turn with Neville. And before I get to today's video, I would like to take this opportunity once more and thank everyone who has been watching all the videos that I've posted or uploaded on this channel. Everyone who has shared, liked, everyone who has ever donated on this channel, thank you very much. Your support is not in vain, and your support is highly valued in this channel. Thank you very much for everything that you've done for the channel up to this far. And without any further ado, let's get to today's video. Today we are diving deep into the twists and turns of the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. The allegations of hitmen, conflicting evidence, and shocking court moments that have left many South Africans wondering and asking themselves questions. Was this really a robbery gone wrong? Or is there more to the story? Let's get to it. Let's start with something that we all know. Senzo Meyiwa, a beloved South African football star, was tragically shot dead in 2014 at the home of his girlfriend, Kelly Khumalo. Initially, it was reported as a robbery gone wrong, but over the years, new evidence and testimony have raised serious questions about what really happened that night. Central to this case is cell phone evidence, particularly testimony from two key experts, Colonel Lombard Steyn and Pinky Vitelingham, a forensic supervisor from Vodacom. Their analyses were meant to reveal connections between the accused, Kelly Khumalo, and each other. But here's where things took a surprising turn. According to Steyn, calls had been made between Kelly Khumalo and accused number 5, Visobuhle Ntuli, suggesting possible coordination. He claimed these calls happened shortly before Meyiwa's death, with two specific dates highlighted: August the 2nd and October 15, 2014. But then Vitelingham took the stand and contradicted Steyn's data. Her analysis, based on Vodacom records, indicated that these calls were actually from different numbers, not Ntuli's. You see where things went wrong. This case has been a much debated. In fact, it has become something like, Chiefs, the Pirates, Mazodlan. Everyone has a side to take. Even on this case, there are people who believe that the 5 accused are the one who committed the crime. And there are those who believe that the 5 accused know nothing about the case, even though they had their own things, whatever, of which I'm not going to get into. But looking at how things went throughout this trial, since it was flighted on our screens, is that there are so many discrepancies here. And let's look at the few that I've managed to highlight for the purpose of this video. These inconsistencies left the court and public questioning the reliability of evidence. Judge Ratamokgotleng even expressed his confusion, saying that the court was baffled by the discrepancies. To clarify the confusion, he allowed Steyn to be recalled to explain his findings further. The question on everyone's mind: is this a robbery gone wrong or a targeted hit? I don't know what's your take on it. Even me, I have my own narrative of what I think happened there. I was not there, but based on what is brought to our attention as we watch this trial go ahead, is that something happened there, and whatever it is, it left Senzo Meyiwa dead. Some investigators and legal experts like AfriForum's Gernel argue that Meyiwa's death was no accident. They believe it was a contracted assassination planned well in advance. Brigadier Bongani Gininda, the lead investigator, stated in court that evidence pointed towards a contract killing, supported by information obtained through sworn affidavits. This revelation has shifted public perception of the case, casting further doubt on the initial robbery story. So everyone is watching, including myself. We want to know what the verdict is, even though it seems as if by now, when you look at how things are presented in that courtroom, it seems as if the verdict is already out. The verdict is already out. It's only just a matter of time la izinto zizoyenzeka khona ngale ndlela le besicabanga ngayo as we see this trial going ahead. And it would be so unfortunate if these guys go behind bars for the death of Meyiwa. Because also there was an article that I mentioned, that I spoke about on my previous video, that there were charges that were laid against Brigadier Bongani Gininda, and ukuthi kwenzeke kanjani NPA there are so many things that are wrong that have happened where this case is concerned. And if you look at everything, the ways into zenzeka ngakhona, you'll realize that there are so many discrepancies going on this trial. Some of the things are not making sense. Some of the things are not adding up. Some of the things are aslangani, man. The math is not matching. But then, what can we say? We are just like everybody else. Welcome to the courtroom of public opinion. The defense, meanwhile, has leveled serious allegations against Gininda and the investigating team. They claim that police coerced confessions from some of the accused using intimidation tactics and even physical assault. Gininda has denied these allegations, standing by the integrity of his investigation. The defense has argued that discrepancies in evidence, particularly the conflicting cell phone records, indicate a potentially flawed investigation or even evidence tampering. And that's what I also believe, because some of the things they didn't even match. Evidence eka pink in evidence ka stain, they corner lab is clasher corner at some point, and also the issue yama confession statements. Now there was something that was questionable about it, but then what can we say? It's already done and dusted. We are moving ahead. These accusations have cast a shadow over the proceedings and raised concerns about a fair trial. Remember, there was a time la defense complained about being ambushed and everything, and man, there are so many things that have gone on this trial since Yakal and you fly to on our screens. And I don't know, everyone has a story to tell. Everyone has a story to tell. Some believe okay, Meyiwa died as a result of a robbery gone wrong, and some believe it was an accidental. He died accidentally because the shot happened while there was that altercation between Ukeli and accidentally a shot went off. So we don't know. There are so many versions to this story, and as it is, for me, if you were to ask me, I'd say this trial has now become a bite room where people just bite each other's heads and argue their versions, you see. But then we are all waiting, we are all watching and waiting for the truth to come out, if the truth is going to come out. And we are waiting to see what's going to happen on this trial as it goes further. With Steyn set to clarify his testimony, the court awaits answers. Will the conflicting evidence hold up under scrutiny, or will it unravel the prosecution's case? Many hope that the truth about Senzo's death will finally be revealed. This case has captivated South Africa and raised difficult questions about justice and truth. Yeah, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to end this recording right now. And if you have anything to add, anything to say, any comments, anything you want to say, you can hit me up in the comment section and let's keep the discussion going. I'll see you on the next one, and thank you for watching this video up to this far. I'll see you on the next one, and from me to you, I'm signing out. Peace till the next upload.